Waking up with that stale plastic taste in your mouth is easily the most annoying part of wearing an aligner or a night guard. You spend all night keeping your teeth in place. But by sunrise, that piece of plastic feels more like a science experiment than a dental tool. Most of us just give it a quick rinse under the cold tap and hope for the best. That is exactly how you end up with cloudy, smelly gear that eventually feels gross to put back in your mouth. I came across these mint-scented cleaning tablets from Weiss Naturals, and they really shift the whole experience. Instead of scrubbing away with a toothbrush and potentially scratching the material, you just let the water do the work. You take one of these individually wrapped tablets and drop it into a small glass of warm water. It starts fizzing and bubbling right away. You toss in your retainer, your dentures, or your night guard and let it soak. The instructions say 15 to 20 minutes is the sweet spot for a full clean. That is perfect timing for a morning routine. You can start the soak, jump in the shower, and by the time you are out, the job is done. When you pull the appliance out, it actually smells like fresh mint. It feels crisp and clean against your teeth instead of having that dull, lingering odor. One detail I really appreciate is that these tablets are per-sulfate-free. Many people are moving away from harsh chemicals in their oral care products these days. Having a safer alternative is a massive relief for anyone who is health conscious. It gives you that deep clean without the worry of what you are soaking your dental gear in for hours at a time. They even throw in a specialized removal tool in the box. If you have ever fought with a tight-fitting aligner, you know the struggle. You are there digging at your gums, worried about breaking a nail or even snapping the plastic. This tool has a little hook on the end that grabs the edge of the aligner perfectly. It makes popping them out a breeze. It is a small addition, but it shows they actually thought about the user experience. Once the soak is finished, you just give the piece a quick rinse and pat it dry with a clean cloth. It is ready to wear or store away. The individual wrapping is also a huge win for anyone who travels. You can just toss a couple in your bag and keep your routine consistent no matter where you are. It keeps everything hygienic and clear. No more cloudy residue. No more awkward smells during your morning meetings. It is just a simple, effective way to maintain your dental health without adding a bunch of stress to your day. It turns a gross necessity into a quick, refreshing habit that makes your mouth feel way better. It is about keeping things fresh and keeping your confidence high every time you smile. This routine makes sure that you are taking care of your investment in your smile without having to overthink the process. It is about simplicity and hygiene meeting in a way that just works for a busy life. No one wants to deal with buildup on their retainers. And this is a straightforward way to keep everything looking brand new. Just drop, soak, rinse, and you are ready to face the world with a fresh mouth.